Hey guys, welcome to the video. Today we're going to be talking about progress bars and why they're important really quickly. Maybe you know this by seeing other people's content like Gary Vee and Grant Cardone and Brad Lay. You've probably noticed that progress bars are pretty popular because, obviously users' attention is quite short these days. So just having a little indicator kind of signals that, hey, this video is not that long, you're almost done, or kind of giving them assurance of that this is not going to take too much of their time. So progress bars are pretty essential in my opinion for modern day social media videos. So without further ado, let's crack into it as to how you can effortlessly create these progress bar on your video. So within Story Creator, once you have a new video loaded up, just go to the Elements tab here. That's the circle, square, and triangle icon. Go ahead and click on that. You're going to see actually you're going to see progress bars and emojis. And I'm going to add support for more element types. That's going to be really exciting. In the meantime, we have progress bars and emojis. Go ahead and click on progress bars. And then we have one sort of style currently. I'm going to add more styles for different types of themes. Go ahead and click style one. And that's it. Now it's on the timeline. Now, the cool thing about the progress bars within Story Creator is that it's time-based. So you have the ability to move the start time and the end time based on your needs for the video. So in some cases, you might just want a progress bar for part of the video, and then as the remaining parts of the video, you might not actually want that. So that's really cool. In this case, I'm going to have it for the full duration of where I'm speaking. So I'm just going to grab the handle. I'm going to drag it on over to the edge here. And that's it. So now I have the progress bar spanning the full duration of that video. And that's pretty much it you need for the basic progress bars. Let's go ahead and take it one step further because that's how we operate here at Story Creator. We take it to the next level. And we want to be different, right? So we want to stand apart from the competitors and have a sort of a unique feel that almost feels like a video editor, something that we would pay money for did, right? And so in order to create a unique feeling here, one feature that I've added was gradients. And gradients are really cool because they can actually create a new color that nobody's ever really seen before, something unique, something a little bit more catching to the eye candy, if you will. So we have two different labels here. One is for the bar, and that is the foreground here, and then one for the background, that is the background here. By default, there is no background just because this is like the most basic sort of loader that you can get. If you want to customize the background, you just click on this color wheel and you're going to see that the alpha is set to 0. Increase the alpha and you're going to get a black background. Now from here, you can actually select a different color according to your brand or your flavor or whatever it is. Something like a gray could be kind of cool, like a light gray. That creates a pretty cool effect. But I'm going to go with like a little bit of a darker black here so I can show you sort of a popular effect that a lot of social media content creators are using, leveraging this gradient feature. So let's go to the bar and let's actually, so you can see here that we can change the color, but let's actually click on the second circle here, which indicates gradient, right? If you click on it, you see that there's like sort of two tones here. That means gradient. And once you click that option, nothing much changes other than there's a slider with two handles. What this means is that there's two different sort of colors that you can pick from. This is the first color that you can pick from. Just select the handle, pick the tone that you want. And then the second part is something that enhances the gradient, maybe like a pink or something. I think a pink and a blue looks cool. It kind of reminds me of like the Nerds from the 90s, but it kind of has that like candy look to me. So let's actually go with this pink and let's color this, let's copy this hex code. Let's actually make that hex code the background. I'm going to show you this cool effect that a lot of social media content creators are using, right? So when I paste that in there, now I have these two colors sort of blending in, sort of like a fresh fade that you get from a barber. And what you have is as time moves, this sort of purple fade that's moving through time. Now I'm going to make this a little bit more streamlined by narrowing the height there. And I'm going to go ahead and give you a preview. Hitting spacebar on my keyboard. That'll play and that'll pause the video. And so there you go. Now we have this cool looking effect that's ready to go. So I can go ahead and export that, and I'm going to get an amazing video that's ready to post. And you could probably create this sort of content in under a few minutes. So yeah, let me know if you have any thoughts, any questions, any requests for different types of features and videos that you'd like to see. I'd love to help out. I just started an Instagram channel or account where I'm going to be offering a lot of value here, sort of condensing the video tutorials and putting it into these very eye-catching types of posts. So if you click on it, you'll be able to scan really quickly the steps in case if you forget what I'm saying in these videos. You can just kind of get a quicker version through the Instagram. So go ahead and give me a follow on there, and if you want to stay in the loop. And within there, you can leave some comments as well as on the YouTube channel in the comment section below. Yeah, have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon.